Hello sweets, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you the best food you can always give your baby if it's above 4 months and 8 months baby, puree. On this cooking pot, I will be adding cabbage and potato. I will let this to get cooked for 5 to 6 minutes. Cover that to cook. Next ingredient I will be adding to complete this food is mango, guys. So this is the mango we are going to be using. So all I do now is to bring out the mango and add it inside a clean cup. So this is the blending cup I will be using. So here is all the mango. I keep that aside. So over here is the 6 minutes of cooking the potato and cabbage. At this point it has cooked and this is what we have. I just have to check if it's okay and if it's ready to turn off the heat. When I check, the potato is cooked. So now I will be adding the potato and the cabbage on top of the mango. So just get that. And next I will be adding is yogurt, guys. So today we are not blending with milk, we are blending with yogurt. So if you're a breastfeeding mom, use the milk that come out from your breast. So if you are not, you can always make use of yogurt. Just press this and let this to form a beautiful puree. After doing that, I will turn the food inside a feeding bowl like this. See how clean and lovely this looks. This is just the best food your baby can eat if it's above 4 months, 6 months, 8 months baby, puree. So now it's ready. I will keep this aside. So let's see the next. Next we have our cooking pot on the heat. So first I will be adding some carrots inside this cooking pot. So the recipe did not end here, but I will first of all get this carrot cooked for 5 minutes. Just get that and cover that to get cooked. 5 minutes later the carrot has cooked. So this is the 5 minutes after cooking the carrot. So all I do now is to check if it's okay. Then when I check, I see it's okay and I'm going to turn off the heat. So next to complete this carrot is to add them banana. You can see that. So over here I have 1 banana. I will just add it inside a blending cup and then adding the carrot on top of the banana, just like this. Adding all the carrot inside this cup. Now I will be adding yogurt, guys. So today we are blending with yogurt because this is food you can always feed your baby if it's 4 months baby, okay? So I have a lot of comments on my post, Lady B, what is the recipe of baby of 4 months? So this is one of the recipe you can always serve your baby if it's above 4 months. So now I just add it in the feeding bowl. This is what we have. This is the second recipe. Look at how that is pumping, so clean and delicious. So now I will keep that aside. Next recipe I have over here, wash rice. So I just finished washing the rice. So to complete that, I will be adding some cauliflower. So this is the cauliflower I will be using. So that has been washed and now I will just add that and cover this to get cooked. Before that I will be adding some cooking water. So just adding water so that this cannot come and get dry. So you need some juice. This will cook for 10 minutes and 10 minutes later this is what I have. So you can see the food did not dry water and it cooks so nice. Everything looks so clean and it cooks so delicious. So everything is cooked at this point. All I do now is to add it inside a blending cup like this, then adding the yogurt. So I will be adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt, then blend that until it forms a beautiful puree. If your baby is above 4 months, this is the food you can always serve your baby. Then add that inside a feeding bowl like this. So it's ready to feed your babies. This is how it looks so delicious, guys. Everything about this food is just calling you to come and take a taste. So now I will just keep it aside. For the 4th recipe, guys, we are going to be needing some broccoli and green beans. So this is the green recipe. Oh my gosh, this is so healthy and lovely to eat, guys. So this is just so nice. I just have that inside a clean pot and that vegetable has already washed. So now this has to cook for 10 minutes with low heat. 10 minutes later, this is what I have. At this point, the broccoli and green beans has cooked. Just take a good look at that. I gotta check that and see it's okay and it's ready to go. So I just turn off the heat. The next is to get that mix. Just see how that is pumping. It looks so amazing. So now we have our blending cup. I will just add in the food inside the cup. So now I will not be blending this with yogurt. I will be blending this with the juice that come out from the food, just like this. Then get that press until it form a beautiful puree like this. All you have to do is to add it inside your feeding bowl and it's ready to feed the baby. This is just the best way you can always feed your baby if your baby is above 4 months. So you don't have to wait until it's 6 months before you can start feeding your baby. This recipe is ready to serve your baby if it's above 4 months. So this is what I have for you today. All you have to do is to share this video. Let the video to go far for other mommies to get this for their baby. See you in my next one. Bye.